Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to come on here and just give a quick walk around of what my truck looks like when it's absolutely clean. Just took it to a car wash and just wanted to show you what it looks like. There's no wax, there's no polish, there's no tire shine. This is just a normal wash. What it looks like. It's absolutely sparkling. Let me tell you, black vehicles are very, very hard to keep clean. So when it does look clean, it looks amazing. But when it looks dirty, it looks dirty. So it's really a hit or miss. I think it looks awesome right now, especially in the sunlight. And as you can see, the sun on top of it. So I just went through the city car wash, which is here in Orlando, right by the college that I go to. And I have a membership there. It's only $10 a month, and I go there. You pretty much go there every single day if you want. It's unlimited times for the whole month, so I try to go. I go often. I don't go every day, but there's no need to. But I just go when I feel like it. But so yeah, this is just a quick walk around of the truck right now. And as you can see, it's kind of drying in the back with some water spots. But they do a whole dry process in the tunnel. It does the chemicals, the water. And why is my door open? Hold on, let me close that. There we go. But it looks great. If I stand way back here and look at the truck, I think it looks awesome right now. So yeah, try to keep it like this all the time. Let me lock this real quick. Yeah, try to keep it, not dirty. I don't like I don't like it. I don't know how people can just keep their vehicles like absolutely filthy. As soon as I see a little bit of dirt on it, try to get it washed. And it actually saves the paint. If you're driving all the time and you have, mosquitoes or flies, bugs on your car, it can actually eat away at the paint. Dirt, eat away at the paint. So if you keep it clean all year round, you're going to preserve the paint. The paint's going to last longer. You're not going to have to touch it up. You won't have to get your bumper repainted or anything like that. So if I stand way, way back here, it just looks amazing. I could walk around this thing. I could walk around it all day, really. But next up is going to be the headlights. I got a cool thing coming in for you guys later, so stay tuned for that. And we're just going to keep doing more and more things to it. And I'm going to start introducing other vehicles to the channel. I'm going to do everything really automotive related, so it's not going to be just about the truck. Obviously the truck's going to be the main part of the channel, but I do want to introduce different other cars that I have friends of, car community, truck community, so I'm going to be doing reviews on stuff like that. But look, so this is it right here. Just wanted to do a quick update. I am actually at my school right now, and I graduate very, very soon, so I'm super excited about that. And so yeah, I have to take a look at the inside. I guess I'll show you the inside too. Show you the bed as well. And the bed is clean too. It's a little wet, but it's all good. And also at the city car wash, you can get there's a part where you can go ahead and vacuum, which I didn't do this time because my truck's pretty clean right now. But usually when we do go to the beach, we're tracking a lot of sand into the beach. So I'll show you here. It's not too bad. Didn't feel like I needed to do that, but it always is there for you after you do your wash. You can actually go in to the second part, which is the vacuum part. You take the mats out, clean the mats, and you go through a second tunnel, which is a wax and polish, if you want to do that. And then you can see that my lights are on there. But yeah, looks good. Truck looks absolutely perfect. Almost like glass. You can see me. And yep. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about the vehicle, anything you want to see, leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, just leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people, and that we can get the YouTube algorithm going so that we get reach a bigger audience and help me grow this YouTube channel. So other than that, we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.